Where'd it go?
Oh, it's left 10 bar. Oh. Wow.
Sorry, Eric.
First swing, I'm looking at a pop-up right into the bowl and 3-putting. All right, so Ty and I rolled up this morning at Journey at Pechanga to do some putting and some filming, and a good couple buddies were just making the turn. Lee, Brett, and Jake, and like, come on, let's go. So we just teed off on hole 10, so we're playing the back 9. We'll go through a few things of what I'm seeing, what I'm thinking, how my body's gonna adjust. We didn't hit any balls, so we're just kind of going cold. So we'll do our best to take you through each shot and kind of talk through what we got. All right, hope you enjoy it. All right, so hole 10 at Pechanga is just about 300. Pins over here. I'm way the heck down here. So my goal when I was standing on the tee was to hit it about where I did and 3-putt, which is probably what I'm gonna do from 60 feet under all these ridges. Make an easy par and get out of here. Oh yeah. Wow, Lee Quigley. It's 100 feet.
No way!
Oh my God, I almost friggin' made it. What the? Huh, lucky.
Oh, that was theft. Pure theft.
You're one down, Quigley. Thank you. I got 240. 240 covers the far end of the bunker. You know, a touch of breeze. I'm gonna hit little 3-wood. There's room behind it, so I've got like close to 260 of room. So I'm gonna try to take front out of play. So I had 240 all the way to it. Front bunker is okay. I was just trying to hit a little 3-wood, knowing that it's the second, third swing of the day. So I'm probably not gonna, hit it exactly how I want to. So I took enough club looking for a slight miss, which I did, and it was probably about 2 or 3 yards the line of being absolutely perfect. So it's knowing again where my body is at this time, and knowing what's the best shot and trying to put it in the best place to play from next. So it's not expecting, I'm not super speedy right now, so my body's not gonna give up a ton. So I'm just trying to put it in position. Whether I hit it great or hit it just a little bit, I'm just trying to put it in the next best place. See how we do. See if we can go birdie birdie.
Did I just tie you?
Yeah.
That's pathetic.
That might be the worst swing I've ever seen you make.
Well, I haven't pulled this out today, so.
Maybe that should stay in the bag for a while. Yeah, Lee. So it didn't strike it overly solid, but again, it's right now managing the misses and got another 20-footer for birdie. It's recognizing where my body feels, just getting to the golf course. Haven't hit a ball since I played Sunday, I guess, up in Northern California. But it'll come, and I allow it to come. I don't try to press anything too soon. Yeah, nice par, Lee. So just a short par 4. It's probably like 340, 350, a little uphill into the wind. Front pin, so I look at a hole location first on short holes like this, and I look for a number. So I hit 3-wood and I'm looking for about 80 to 90 yards. So we'll see how I did. We'll get a number when we get up there, but I'm not gonna hit driver and just get it as close as I can, not to a front hole location. If it was back, then I'd have all that green to work with, then I would go ahead and send it up there. So we'll see how we did on the numbers, see if I got it close to the 80 or 90 that I'm looking for. All right, so we got up here a little bit closer. I got 70 yards to a front pin, but I still like it. Still like the number. See how we do. I have 70 to it. Greens are soft, so I'm gonna play it right at the number. As I sit and just kind of feel the club in my hand and feel my body move, I'm just sensing a release pattern that I'm looking for and a trajectory that I'm looking for. And then once it comes to me, that's when I get into my shot and set up to that picture, to that feel of 70 yards with the setup and the flight that I want, then go. Talking through a shot doesn't help that much. That was about 20 feet right. Which one of you kicked my ball so far away from the hole? Almost got the bonus. I got 129 to it. I've got 100 that covers the bunker. Little downwind, little elevated green. Looks like kind of a fast lie. So I just keep chipping away at all the cues, and it feels like it's gonna be about 100 to 105 yard shot. So I got my 54 degree, it's just gonna be kind of a soft one. So again, I allow for all the feels to come together, and then I have a picture to set up to. So I have a target I'm aiming at, which is gonna be right at the flag. I've got a number that feels right, and then it's getting in and go. When I commit to a number, so I committed to 103 yards, then I don't change anything. Even though it's a 130 yard shot, I'm not changing any of what I went through, all the little math equations that I went through. Yeah, hard math. Up a little, down a little, fast lie, 100. So all that difficult math, and then I commit to it and I just stay right there. So it looked like we guessed right. All our complicated math ended up to, looks like about 3 feet left of the hole. Yeah, Lee. So now we have 203 into the wind, back left. You can see there's water short and left. So same thing, we go through all the cues of the wind. We have about a 10 to 12, feels like close to 15 yard wind. So I'm going at a number of about 215. So now we're 2 under through, what do we play, 5 holes? So we'll see if we can, this hole we just kind of hang on. We pick a spot in the middle of the green, we hit it 20, 30 feet right of the hole. If I happen to pull it and gets closer, we got an opportunity. If not, we just get our 2 putts and get out. And the pace of your swing, I've seen it over the last year versus 2 years ago, how it's settling. You're not as violent in the transition of trying to go, which allows your bit of this movement. When you change directions, it allows everything to work in a place where it can work like geometrically, let's say, right? Where things are gonna fit. Whereas before when you would do it and you would get here and you would go so hard in the transition that you would work this way, it's like, no way, forget about it. Yeah. But it has, in the times that we've played, it has settled.
It's getting there. I'm going the right direction. It's just, the thing is with change, it's like the little thing creeps back in. And it takes so long to realize that bad habit resurface. It's just fighting, we're all rec players. We don't practice as much as we should, and so we have these bad habits, and then we just perpetuate the bad habit by practicing
the bad habit. Yeah. Yeah. Go.
Gotta go.
Water.
Oh. Swing harder next time.
So we got 153. Wind is coming about from 10 o'clock. Little hurt, front right pin. I'm gonna take just a little 7-iron. So again, just getting a feel for the number. This feels like a lot of club. So I go to 8. Could be one of the hardest holes in Southern California. It's 254 to a green that's about as wide as your living room, or about as deep. It's pretty wide, but it's about as deep as your living room. and the wind swirls off these hills. So getting the right club is really hard, but a lot of fun to hit it from up here. On the green, another 25 footer.
Fairway.
Ooh, yeah. Just short of the green. So here we got through 9 holes on the 18th hole right now. Got one down the fairway and a couple under par. Really didn't hit all that good, but didn't hit it too bad. Putting felt pretty good. So just keep assessing where I'm at, what I'm doing, and keep getting. We got another 3 or 4 weeks to go. So I think by then we'll be in pretty good shape. So thanks for joining. Oh yeah.
That was fun.
Thanks, brother.
Good to see you, man.
Dude.
I know, been a while.
Yeah.